Pete, I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the craze of my neck street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. The señorita said sing and I swing with that altero. It's very nice, so full of fight. And when they're dancing, they bring a happy ring that I quiero. Sing it a song all the day long. Now if you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom.
He's a really modest guy, although he's the hottest guy in Havana, in Havana.
See, señorita, I know that you would like a chicky boom chick. It's very nice, so full of spice. Place my hand on your hip, and if you will, just give me your hand. That we shall try, just you and I. If you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. What's the matter with that lady today? I did it with you, but you were. I'm just getting it. Oh, mother.